Welcome. In front of me is a Red Magic Astra, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device. So we're going to hold our power button, and from the boot options you just simply want to select power off. Now the tablet will turn off, and when it does, you then want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now you can let go of the power button when the Red Magic logo shows up, and this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we do need to use volume buttons to navigate, as for instance tapping on these options doesn't do anything. So press the volume down, which will navigate down, and then confirm it with the power button. And you can see there is safe mode, so we're just going to press power button once more as it's already selected. And this will boot us now into the safe mode. Oh, that was quick. So you can see now we're in safe mode, and there's a couple of different things weirdly happening in here. So you can see widgets will not work or load in here. Applications, some of them for you probably also became transparent like this, or these ones right here. And this is normal. Safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your device, and if you don't really have any kind of problems, there is no reason for it to boot into here, because it does this. It prevents applications that aren't default Android apps from loading or even running in any kind of way. And even if you try to open them up, it will get you this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in this mode. This is done for troubleshooting purposes. If you, for instance, are something like an app developer and you create some kind of application that is messing about on how you can use your device and making it impossible, you could basically boot it into safe mode, manage that application as it can no longer run whatsoever, and then once you're done, you just hold the power button again and select restart. And this will now bring you back to the normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.